Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I would like to convey my analysis about a journal article related to ESP content that focusing on computer and network engineering. So the title of the journal is the need analysis of learning materials for teaching English for specific purpose at the second grade computer networking students in SMKN 1 Bukit Tinggi with the researcher is Tiffany Audia Shiva. But before I start my explanations more about this journal, for the first I would like to inform analysis content consists of introductions, research questions, literature review, research methodology, finding and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Now we are going to explain about the introduction of this journal. The researcher explains the phenomenon of vocational high school material. Vocational high school is the high school that studies a certain subject as their major. English in vocational high school could employ the English specific purpose approach, but practically it tends to be more general. English specific purpose is teaching English that is relevant to the student area. It means ESP can be integrated into a subject important to the learners with their major. Actually, the syllabus was still general, but the teacher English in vocational high school redesigned the syllabus into the material that relate with a vocational high school. However, in learning computer networking student, the material still to use the English textbooks that have the same material as the general school. Meanwhile, vocational students should be able to use English that is related with their major to them for getting the proper jobs. Based on the problem, the researcher want to conduct this research. And the second is literature review of this journal. According to Bowman, ESP is part of the larger movement within language teaching away from a construction on teaching grammar and language structure to an emphasis on language in context. Besides that, Tom and Alan, English for specific purpose is teaching English that is relevant with the student area. And for the Bashtukman, ESP is understood as preparing the learners to use English in their academic guide. The student establish needed ability to communicate actively in target area. So from the literature review, ESP means the course that facilitate the student in learning English to support them all activity in the specific area and to use English that related with their major. And the third is a research question of this journal is what are student needs related with material at the second grade student of computer networking at SMKN 1 Bukit Tinggi in learning English. So now we are going to explanation about research methodology. The researcher used qualitative and quantitative approach to conduct this research and collect the data with the survey such as questionnaire, interview, and the comment analysis checklist. For the respondent, use the total sampling that consists of 47 students of computer networking engineering. And the data will be analyzed by using some steps as follow: data collection, display the data, analyzing and describing the result. Next is finding and discussion. The description of questionnaire data. Description of questionnaire data is the first instrument of the researcher used to collect the data to analyze our student needs, student likes, and student wants. And the result of this questionnaire, the most students tend to choose learning English with peer or or group, because when studying with the group, the student who are still weak in the learning to get the material in English can be assisted by smart student. And the second is the description of interview data is the second instrument of the researcher used to collect the data to analyze the unapplied ESP with aims to explore and identify the points of identification of the problem and research question. And the result, the teacher never analyzed from the student need, so teacher was not found yet a suitable method for the teaching and learning English to be implemented. And the third is the description of document analysis checklist. The instrument contains of the source of the ESP material conceptualization, selecting and organizing the materials and activity. For source of ESP material, the material are still in general and not suitable with the student with the specific major. And for material conceptualizations, the syllabus and the lesson plan actually according with the student need, but English lesson was not valid with the majors. And for the selecting and organizing the material and activity, it seems the result with the conceptualization, the syllabus, the handbooks, the lesson plans according with the student need, but the English lesson was not valid with their major. And next is the discussions of this journal. English for specific purpose is teaching English that is relevant with the student area. It means to analyze the ESP material is vocational high school. It provide with English in target situation by look some component in target situation. Target situation is the necessity student is the student lack and student wants. So it will create the effectiveness of the teaching program to achieve the student target needs and personally in learning English. And this is the last is the conclusion of this journal. The first is students are interested in learning English if doing practice such as conversation or directly talking with the friend or with the visitor, because make the student challenging and confident. And the second is student need the lesson more specific in English material for vocational student. So the material for vocational student relate with their major. And the last is students state that they learn English because their purpose are to communicating and understanding in English computer networking activities and working environment. So by the questionnaire, interview, and document analysis checklist, the students have the purpose to communicating and understanding in English, especially of computer networking activity. Teaching English, especially for vocational student, the teacher must provide the material that relates to their major, because later it will help or useful the vocational students to improve their English. Okay, and I think it's enough for me to explain my analysis of this journal. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.